my channel. It's me, Nightmoon Sparklestar, and my brother Tony.
Hello guys.
He is in his Alien Toy Story 4 Alpha, which is really cool. And guys, I changed my hairstyle again. I have a ponytail and I have like these my bangs. They're pretty long, but not as long as they used to be. But it's fine. Okay, guys. Today we are going to be seeing what these super babies do. I saw it and I said. I said to me, Veta now says, we need this. We want this for our videos. We need it. So, we bought it. We got it. Now let's start it. Okay, so are you ready to start this? Okay. Wait, what? Someone's calling me, guys. Hello? Oh yes, I forgot. Oh, okay. Okay, I remember. I will tell them. Okay. Okay, guys. So, the person who made these super babies, the manager called me up and said, if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe right now and turn on the notification bell right now in 5 seconds. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you subscribe, make sure to give yourself a pat on the back and make sure to also smash that like button. So guys, yes, make sure to do that right now because the manager called me up and said if you do not do it, then you will have bad luck for the next 3 days. So make sure to do it right now. So yeah, if you didn't do it at the time limit, it's fine. Just do it right now. You have plenty of time to you have the whole video to do it. So yeah. Okay guys, so let's actually start. But Tony, can you please do the honors and turn off the lights? I want to show the audience what we can do with these super babies. Okay.
Zoom in.
Okay, so we have these super babies. Guys, you're gonna see what they do. Wait. Okay. Wait. You do these two now. Do these two.
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Look at this, guys. Woo!
Guys.
Look at this, guys. Look at the labels on the back. They're glowing.
Guys.
Guys, look at the labels. They're glowing. Okay, let's do it. Shake it. Look at that, guys. Look at the back. Look at that. That's so cool. It looks so cute, guys.
Guys.
Look at that.
Guys.
Okay, guys. Tony, can you do the honors of putting on the lights? Wait. Finally, we got the lights on. Yeah, that was kind of dark. Actually, I preferred it. I think that was pretty cool. I'll turn it that way. Good job. Okay, guys. Now let's open it. Okay, which one should we open first? I think we should open this one. Yeah. So let's shake it up. Look at it, guys. It's so cool. You can see like there's something black inside, like something close it up. And guys, obviously you can have this as a keychain, as this hole inside. And I think you get like a little glowing ball in with it because for the thing the glowing inside. Ow. Oh my god. Ow. Guys, I cut my nails and I got it stuck in there and I kind of cut me. So guys, Tony, you can open this one and I'll open the hedgehog super baby. It's red. So let's try and open it this way. Can I open it with my mouth, with my teeth? No. Probably not mouth. So guys, still trying to open it. Can we open it this time? I see something, guys, inside. I see something. What is that? Oh no, I tore it. Oh well.
Ow.
I don't want to break this. I really don't want to break this.
Sabi ko pumaga.
Oh my god. I think I actually broke it. Instead of the...
Buddy.
Oh my god.
Ouch.
I think you need some help.
Sabi
with it.
ubusin. Thank you.
Wait.
Thank
open
you.
it.
Oh, that's pretty.
Guys, I see question marks.
No way, guys! Look at this! That's French
What did I get? Wait, guys, we got a toy. Guys, we got a random toy. Because this is what it made the light.
It was like a little baby. Muchas gracias.
Okay, guys, let me put you guys here. You guys
Very play.
Guys, you know, like in the Kinder, like in the Princess Surprise eggs and that, we got these spoons. It's so similar. What's here? And I got a Pikachu, guys. Wait, what? Guys, let me show you this. Wait, let me just put this on the side so you guys can see this. Wait. We'll break it. Like this.
Guys, good. Vai bila Pikachu, a Farty, sunt bio automobilska, Rudiga de Pulce.
Oh my god, that's so cool.
Very happy to zamknęła.
No, I like it.
Adesso non posso scolgato. Guys,
Guys, I love this.
Guys, it's a face.
I want this. Oh my god, guys, look at this. It's so easy to open. I will definitely make something out of these question marks. Oh, that looks so delicious. My stomach is literally wanting to eat this. It's saying, Vesa, feed me, I'm hungry. So am I. So let's do this. Guys, look at this up close. Looks so good. Ooh, let's take it out.
Guys, it's amazing.
I just want to eat this for the rest of the
Solo
video.
pojeść kokos now.
That tastes like Nutella. It's so good.
Bila. Się bila u czekolady.
This is amazing.
It's amazing.
Amazing. I just put this over there. Now, I'm going to open this one. Open this one. You can open this one. Oh, looks like that because we broke them open. They don't want to stand anymore. That is not approvable. Come on, stand. Finally. That took like a half an hour. Well, guys, are you ready to start, or do you want to eat this for the rest of the video?
No.
Let's start. Okay. Guys, let's open it. I have the white cute super baby, so let's open this. Oh, I can see something in there. More question marks. Oh, I got a boy toy.
Yeah.
No, guys, broken face. The pain. Oh, that sounds like it's painful.
You get it to concentrate.
Again, guys.
Delicious. Help. Please.
Ooh, what is it good?
Please take the złotej gracji.
Oh.
Tyle masz ty? Sama to mówię, że ty... Oh my god. To jest Optimus.
I don't know what this says.
Optimus Prime.
This is amazing! I never saw it!
It's Optimus Prime robot.
Nani? I never saw it like this good! Guys, look at this, look at this. That's so cool! Tony, let's see what you get. What did you get? Is there anything else inside? It's the ball. It's the ball. That, Tony, let's see what you... Oh, guys, you can put a characters of your choice in here. It's so cool. Oh, this one's not like that at all. Pretty cool. I actually don't know what this does. Let's see. Nani? That's amazing. Oh, oopsie days. This is so good.
It is so good.
Oh, the camera's on.
Oh, that's a good step.
Sorry, this is really good. Guys, what he's saying right now is, you guys need to buy these. These are so good, incredibly good toys. They're so cute packaging. You can put them, and they're like so adorable. And then we have these. These are really good toys. Like, what? Then we have this one. Really good. And then we have these two toys. I love these. I love this. Okay, guys. Tony, I have a surprise for you. I have a surprise. I'm going to give you this toy because you really wanted it. Here you go.
Mine?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. There's a fun to get Optimus Prime.
And I'm going to give this to my little baby sister, Angelina. And I'm going to give this to my brother, Peo. And I'm just going to keep this for me because it's pink. I really like this. Oh. Look at this, guys. I'm going to enjoy it. I always like this. I don't know that. Okay, come back. Come back, please. Yay! Okay, Tony, would you do the honors of turning off the lights?
Yes.
Would you turn off the lights? Oh, perfect! Okay, let's do the party!
Aww.
Wait. Wow, disco party! Disco party! Disco party! Disco party! Guys, these toys are amazing. Any parents are there watching this video right now, buy this for your kids. They will love, they'll be so happy just as much as we were. This is so cool. Like what? I forgot how to work. Okay. Amazing. And if you have like and if you have like if you have a little if you have a little kid, this will be perfect because they can play with it. It's perfect for kids. And oh, I can't even start with this one. This is just amazing. This is genius. This is not just amazing. That's genius.
This is awesome.
Oh my God. Perfect. And then we have toy. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to